Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all had the best Christmas ever, and it's closing in on New Year, and I hope you all have the best New Year going. Smash targets that we wanted to hit for next year. I wanted to hit 1,000 subscribers next year, and we've hit nearly 2,000, and it's not even 2022 yet. So I just want to thank you all for that. So this is just an introduction that I forgot to put to video for the ITG, the intake. So it's just another part on the route to going stage 3. The ITG really is the best performance filter for these cars. Well, that's what everyone recommends, is going ITG. As you can hear, we've got the exhaust on as well. I still love that, by the way. It's been on like a month or something now, and still love it. Just need a map now. Feeling stage 2 power to go, and then hopefully in the summer we'll go stage 3. But yeah, this is just it's not even an install video, it's just a video on, well, it's kind of an install video because you see how I do it, but I don't show you like all the little nooks and crannies. But if it looks like I need to say anything, I'll just put it in the video. Yeah, like I say, I forgot to film the intro, so this is the intro now. You might already heard the ITG, but so let you hear what the car sounds like with the ITG on, and then I'll do it now. It's a beast that, to be fair, though.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
That's headlight one.
Grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself
So this video was meant to be out, obviously, before New Year, because I see it in the video that it's closing in on New Year. Just had loads of stuff going on. It's not an excuse, really, but loads of stuff going on. Trying to get back on track. The New Year coming in. I worked over New Year as well, like I helped out. And just didn't really have enough time. And kind of lost a bit of motivation. So back on the grind now. This is the outro to the ITG video. We do have another video coming straight up, hopefully the week after, because I do now have the lower end springs on the Fiesta. And what a massive difference it's made. But I can't wait to get that video out. But honestly, I just want to thank every single one of you. I'm honestly so grateful that like nearly 2,000 people have subscribed to my channel. Try and get them views up is the next step. Get the channel monetized, and then we'll start getting some big projects on. Summer's coming in, car reviews, car meet vlogs, crazy stuff coming up. Obviously the Fiesta's going stage 3. Well, the aim is to get the Fiesta stage 3, get the stage 2 on it. I need recommendations for a custom mapping company. I need someone who knows the crack. I don't want no generic map on. I want something that suits my car, that my car will thrive off, not just something everybody else's car thrives off. So I need someone out there to give someone a shout and be like, look, help Jack out, because he wants his car stage 2. He wants his car absolutely mint. So I'd appreciate it. I'm currently stuck in at the minute with COVID, and hopefully out in 5 days, but we'll wait and see. Get that next video out with the lower end springs on, and then we'll just start going from there as well. So thank you very much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, comment, like, everything you can do to help this channel grow more and more. Honestly, put that notification bell on as well, because the content will be coming thick and fast. I don't want you to miss that.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space.